Oh, they're underway here. We've got a solid battle for third place here between, looks like, Hamish and Matt Banks. Inside on Hamish there. Hamish not letting this one lie though. He's got the practice slash out there. Familiar story up front. Followed by Scott. Oh, it just done it. Scott just put it on its side. Let's go to second place. And Hamish up to third. Scott got the inside of Hamish almost straight away back to third place. All of the throttle went to Scott. Scott rinsing every turn he can out of that motor. They're just putting a bit too much throttle on out of the sweeper. There's a dry spot on the inside where it's a bit loose. It's catching a few people out there. Scott opposite lock round that corner, turn left to turn right, on from two wheels on the back straight. Meanwhile, Mark has the classical music playing in his head. He's cool, calm, collected. Where's it today, Mark? Is it back? Certainly not Beethoven, way too aggressive. So Scott again, the opposite lock round on the AstroTurf. It is putting him closer to Matt Banks, but it's also helping Hamish, who's just driving steadily behind him. Fastest stuff out there, 26.1 from Mark. Next fastest, Scott with a 27.4. And Matt 27.8. So Mark Burley's just taking it easy up front. That last lap for 28 seconds, only 2 seconds left his fastest. Scott on the bottom of the wall rise. He's got a marshal on his way. It's not going to be quick enough to save him from third. Oh, and it's on the back straight, back straight. So leaders on these Matt Banks come over to second place, or sorry, retain second place. So that promotes Hamish and Beck to 3 and 4 respectively. Still got a minute and 27 to go. It's at least 3 laps, possibly 4. These cars spaced out now for P3, 4 and 5. They're spaced a few seconds apart. Mark was putting it round on the corner there, but he's so far in front he can afford to do that several times.
1 minute left. .45 seconds left.
So good battle between the James family here. This could work in Scott's advantage if they touch. And they do, on that infield. They both get going again. Look, Scott's right behind them now. It's a great battle here for the last podium spot.
15 seconds left.
Everyone across the line for another lap. Mark will box, so Mark takes this one out. Clean sweep for Mark in the short course today. Two-wheel drive. Scott takes it up the inside of both of the Jameses. Beautiful move there. They're not leaving it though, they're right behind him. Little touch on that hairpin. They're on the left. Boom, boom, boom. 3, 4, 5. Close as you like.
15
Great driving spot, well recovered.
All drivers are
Last
finished.
podium spot. He's going to do the wall ride. Here it comes. Oh, there it goes.
Up next.